Here's how to fix call forwarding not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to forward your calls from this iPhone over to a different phone number, I'll show you how to get it fixed. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. The first thing we'll do is head into the settings app of your phone. So once you open the settings app, we need to get your call forwarding by scrolling down to the very bottom, and we're going to choose apps at the bottom. Now from here, all we need to do is scroll down until you find the phone section. So let me scroll down and tap on phone. And now from here, all I need to do is scroll down and find call forwarding. You'll be able to see it is turned off. If this is turned on, you should be able to tap on forward to, and there should be a phone number in here, basically just a phone number dialed in. Now, I would recommend first just toggling it off. If it is on, just toggling it off and then turning it back on. That is one option you have. However, another option that you have to manually turn it off with your carrier is to open up the phone app and go to the keypad here at the bottom right. Now, after you've done that, we're going to dial #002# and hit call. Now, what you'll be able to see is a lot of these call forwardings will be disabled. Essentially, this will disable it through your carrier, which is a good thing because we're just going to go back into your settings. So from here, let's dismiss it, go back into your settings, and make sure to turn this back on in your settings. So essentially, we're going to go through the process of disabling it and turning it back on. Now, if any of these don't work, let's swipe down from the top right and toggle airplane mode on. This will disconnect from your Wi-Fi as well as your cell towers, and then just turn it back off to reconnect everything. A lot of times this fixes it. If you're still running into issues, I would recommend heading back into the settings app. Let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. And at the beginning of your settings, you can see towards the bottom is general. Just tap on general here, and then we'll scroll down to the very bottom and hit transfer or reset iPhone. We're not going to reset your iPhone completely, but we are going to tap on reset and reset the network settings, including your settings associated with your iPhone connected to your cell towers. So just enter in the passcode for your phone and then go through and reset those network settings. A lot of times that fixes it. If you're still having issues with that call forwarding, I would recommend rebooting your phone. So press and hold the volume up and side button there until you get to the option to swipe to turn your phone off, and then just restart it and it should be working at that point.